The Blue Umbrella is a heartwarming novella by Ruskin Bond, set in a small Himalayan village in Gadwal, Uttarakhand. The story revolves around Binya, a simple and carefree village girl, and her deep attachment to a beautiful blue umbrella that she acquires in exchange for her lucky leopard's claw pendant. The umbrella, with its vivid color and elegance, soon becomes a symbol of admiration and envy in the village. While many adore it, some, especially Ram Bharosa, the local shopkeeper, begin to desire it for themselves. His growing obsession leads to greed, dishonesty, and an attempted theft, causing tension and conflict in the story. Through rich descriptions of village life, the Blue Umbrella beautifully explores themes of innocence, materialism, jealousy, kindness, and redemption. It highlights the contrast between greed and generosity, showing how true happiness lies not in possessions but in acts of kindness and selflessness. With its simple yet profound storytelling, Ruskin Bond captures the essence of human nature and delivers a powerful moral lesson, making the Blue Umbrella an unforgettable and cherished tale for readers of all ages. Let's start with a chapter-wise summary of the novel. Chapter 1 of The Blue Umbrella introduces the main character, Binya, a young girl who lives in a small village in the hills of Gadwal, Uttarakhand. She belongs to a poor family but enjoys the simple pleasures of life. She spends her days tending to cows and roaming the forests near her home. One day, while exploring the hills, she comes across a group of wealthy city tourists who are having a picnic. Among their belongings, Binya sees a beautiful blue umbrella, which immediately captures her attention. The umbrella is unlike anything she has ever seen, vibrant, delicate, and elegant. She is fascinated by its beauty and desires to own it. Binya's luck turns in her favor when one of the tourists notices the leopard's claw pendant she wears around her neck. In the hills, leopard claws are believed to bring good luck. The lady from the group, enchanted by the pendant, offers Binya a trade, her blue umbrella in exchange for the claw pendant. Without hesitation, Binya agrees, as she finds the umbrella far more precious. Now the proud owner of the blue umbrella, Binya feels a sense of joy and pride. She carries it everywhere, and soon, the umbrella becomes a symbol of admiration in her village. The villagers, including shopkeeper Ram Bharosa, take notice of the striking umbrella, setting the stage for further events in the story. Themes in Chapter 1. Desire and fascination. Binya's instant attraction to the umbrella shows how small things can bring immense happiness to those who have little. Innocence and simplicity. Binya's innocent barter reflects her simple way of thinking and her appreciation of beauty over superstition. Symbol of status and envy. The umbrella quickly becomes a point of attraction, leading to admiration as well as jealousy among the villagers. In Chapter 2, Binya happily flaunts her new blue umbrella wherever she goes. She carries it with pride, even when the sun is not shining or there is no rain. The umbrella becomes a symbol of beauty and admiration in the village, and people can't stop talking about it. As Binya moves around with her umbrella, she gains attention from both children and adults. The villagers, although amused, start feeling a mix of curiosity, admiration, and envy towards her prized possession. Among those who take notice is Ram Bharosa, an old shopkeeper in the village. He owns a small tea stall and sells basic supplies to the villagers. Ram Bharosa is a greedy man, and he desperately wants the umbrella for himself. He wonders why a poor little girl like Binya should have something so precious while he, a businessman, does not. As the chapter progresses, Ram Bharosa begins to obsess over the umbrella. He even tries to persuade Binya to sell it to him, offering her money and sweets in return. However, Binya, deeply attached to her umbrella, refuses to give it up. This chapter marks the beginning of jealousy and greed in the story. While Binya enjoys her happiness, others around her, especially Ram Bharosa, start to develop desires and negative emotions towards the umbrella. Themes in Chapter 2: Admiration versus Jealousy. The villagers admire Binya's umbrella, but some, like Ram Bharosa, begin to feel jealous. Materialism and greed. The umbrella, though just a simple object, becomes a source of greed for Ram Bharosa. Innocence versus cunning nature. Binya is innocent and content, while Ram Bharosa starts scheming to get the umbrella. In Chapter 3, Binya continues to enjoy the attention and admiration she receives because of her beautiful blue umbrella. She takes it everywhere she goes, making sure it is always in sight. The umbrella has now become her most treasured possession. Meanwhile, Ram Bharosa, the village shopkeeper, becomes increasingly obsessed with the umbrella. He still cannot accept that a poor village girl like Binya owns such a fine object. His desire to own the umbrella turns into frustration. He tries to manipulate Binya into selling it, offering her free sweets, but she refuses. Seeing no other way, Ram Bharosa hatches a plan to get the umbrella. He decides to use someone else to steal it for him. He enlists the help of his young assistant, Raja, a boy who works in his shop. Raja is hesitant at first, but Ram Bharosa pressures him into stealing the umbrella from Binya. This chapter builds tension in the story, as it introduces deception and betrayal. The blue umbrella, which started as a symbol of happiness, is now causing greed and dishonesty in people. The chapter ends on a suspenseful note, as the reader wonders if Ram Bharosa's plan will succeed. Themes in Chapter 3. Greed leading to dishonesty. Ram Bharosa's jealousy turns into greed, making him resort to stealing. Manipulation of the innocent. Ram Bharosa tricks his assistant, Raja, into doing this dirty work. Suspense and conflict. The chapter builds tension as we anticipate whether the umbrella will be stolen or not. In Chapter 4, the tension in the story increases as Ram Bharosa's greed leads to action. He has already decided to steal the blue umbrella with the help of his young servant, Raja. One afternoon, when Binya is walking alone, Raja secretly follows her. He waits for the right moment to snatch the umbrella. As soon as Binya places it on the ground while picking wildflowers, Raja grabs the umbrella and runs away. However, Binya quickly realizes what has happened and chases after him. She screams for help, and her cries attract the attention of the villagers. Seeing people rushing towards him, Raja panics and drops the umbrella before running away. The villagers soon find out that Ram Bharosa was behind the plan, and they turn against him. His reputation is ruined, and people start losing trust in his shop. No one visits him anymore, and he begins to feel guilty and ashamed of his actions. This chapter shows how greed and dishonesty lead to downfall. The villagers now see Ram Bharosa as a dishonest man, and he suffers for his mistake. Themes in Chapter 4. Greed leading to consequences. Ram Bharosa's obsession with the umbrella results in his downfall. Justice and karma. Raja is caught, and Ram Bharosa faces the villagers' anger for his dishonesty. Community and morality. The villagers unite against wrongdoing, showing how a small community values honesty. In Chapter 5, Ram Bharosa faces the consequences of his greed and dishonesty. After the failed attempt to steal Binya's blue umbrella, the villagers lose all respect for him. People stop visiting his tea shop, and his business begins to decline. He feels lonely and ashamed, realizing that his greed has cost him the trust of the village. Meanwhile, Binya continues to enjoy her umbrella, but she notices Ram Bharosa's suffering. Though he had wronged her, she begins to feel sorry for him. Binya, being a kind-hearted girl, decides to forgive him. One day, in an unexpected act of generosity and kindness, Binya gives her blue umbrella to Ram Bharosa. She knows that the umbrella, once a source of joy for her, has also caused jealousy and conflict. By giving it away, she shows that compassion is more important than material things. Ram Bharosa is deeply touched by Binya's kindness. He realizes his mistakes and understands that honesty and goodwill matter more than possessions. The villagers, seeing this change in him, gradually begin to trust him again, and his shop starts getting customers once more. The story ends on a hopeful and uplifting note, showing that forgiveness and kindness can heal even the deepest wounds. Themes in Chapter 5: Redemption and Forgiveness. Ram Bharosa gets a chance to correct his mistakes, and Binya's act of kindness helps him change. Kindness over materialism. Binya proves that generosity is more valuable than owning something beautiful. The power of compassion. Despite being wronged, Binya chooses forgiveness over revenge, leading to a positive outcome. The story The Blue Umbrella concludes on a heartwarming and moralistic note. Binya, despite being a young girl, shows great maturity and kindness by forgiving Ram Bharosa, the shopkeeper who tried to steal her prized umbrella. Instead of holding a grudge, she gives the umbrella to him, proving that compassion is more valuable than material possessions. Ram Bharosa, deeply touched by Binya's act, realizes his greed and mistakes. He learns that honesty and kindness are far more important than wealth or status. This marks his redemption as he earns back the trust of the villagers and regains his dignity. Moral of the story: greed leads to downfall. Ram Bharosa's desire for the umbrella results in his loss of reputation and customers. Kindness and forgiveness heal. Binya's selfless act helps restore peace and harmony in the village. True happiness is not in material things. Binya understands that generosity and goodwill bring more joy than possessions. In the end, the blue umbrella teaches a valuable life lesson: compassion and generosity triumph over greed and selfishness. The story leaves the reader with a sense of warmth, showing that small acts of kindness can create a big impact.